Hi dancers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to improve your turnout safely. But before we get started, make sure you go ahead, click that subscribe button so you never miss a new upload. Today we're going to be taking a sneak peek into what the turnout course is on the Veronica platform. And of course, if you want to improve your turnout and get the best results possible, you can join the full course by scrolling down below in the description and doing my 6-week course, which is going to include readings and video trainings structured out in a 6-week format that will help you progress with your turnout safely and the Veronica method. So let's get started with our exercises today. We're going to be in this kneeling position here, and you can either have a towel under your foot or a sock, whatever is going to allow your foot to glide freely on the surface. First, we start by making sure our rectangle is in place. We're going to lift up through that standing leg. We're not going to sit in, and we're going to keep everything square. You're going to inhale and fill your belly up with air, and exhale, and only take it to the point where your rectangle, your big points here in the front of the hip, shoulders, and everything else stays square to the front. So that means if you're only taking it to here, this is your turnout. This is your second position. And you're gonna know this because at the point where you try to sneak it just a little bit further, the rectangle's either gonna have to break apart and rotate, or you're gonna end up arching your back. Again, disrupting the rectangle. So first, just play around with where that actual end range is for you. Feel where it is. And then once you're really confident that you know exactly where that is with this exercise, then we're gonna start getting to work. So I'm gonna give you a few seconds, play around with it for yourself, internalize it, watch yourself in the mirror, and then meet me back here in 30 seconds. All right, let's get ready to roll with this first exercise. Inhale and exhale, slide to the side. And inhale, bring it to the front. Exhale, bring it to the side. 2. Inhale to the front. 3. And inhale, exhale. Inhale, trying to keep this line here. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale. Good. We're going to turn to the other side and go ahead and repeat on the other side. Make sure that your key points of alignment in your lower leg are also staying in the line. So you have knee, ankle, and toe, and not allowing everything to turn out of that alignment. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale and inhale. Exhale, inhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Okay, moving on now, we're gonna do another mobilization. This is gonna be in a plank position to start. So if you look, see my leg is at 90-degree angle here where it's going out of my hip and down. This back leg is directly behind my hip and my knee is straight. Now that's a really important key thing here. We're not doing this and just arching back as far as we can. We're activating and lengthening at the same time. If you feel like you have to bend your knee and put it down, then you know you're arching too much. So instead of arching more, you're activating through here, opening here, and lengthening the spine, and then you get to sit back. Okay, so you go up into the plank position, Drop the hips, lengthen, exhale up. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, we're gonna switch to the other side. This side, I will not be tucking my toes under. I will be holding the knee straight in the back, but I will be keeping my toes flat on the ground in plantar flexion because of my surgery. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have a lot less range of motion here, as you can see on my injured side. 7, it's like barely anything. 8. All right, come down. We're gonna move on to our next mobilization. The next one is called Froggy Child's Pose. So unlike frog, where we just kind of sit and arch our backs, what we're doing is we're putting our feet together, straight arms to the front, and you're pushing forward into a plank position. So you should keep that energy from ear down to hip and trying to hold that neutral alignment. Then you're kind of dropping the hips forward and then reaching back to child's pose. So then you come forward, find plank, drop the pubic bone forward, and then exhale and lean back. The wider these legs are to the side, the more stretch you're gonna get when you hit end range here. So you're just moving in and out of these two positions. Forward and hold, and sit back, exhale. Forward and hold, sit back and exhale. Forward and hold, sit back and exhale. Let's do 3 more here. That's 1, 2, and 3. Very good. All right, come out of that. Again, we're gonna just take our leg across here and we're gonna pull it into our chest and rotate. And then I want you to take your hand behind your head, bend away, and try to keep this side down on the mat. And come up, switch the legs, and you're gonna rotate first and hold the rotation, arm behind your head, and bend away from this side of the hip. And come back up. Good. All right, final stretch. We're gonna go ahead and lie down on your mat. You're gonna lift one leg up and you're gonna externally rotate it. Don't change anything at your hips. You're going to kick across your body like this and flex your foot. And you're gonna do that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna hold it. Push the knee away, hold the foot. Now we're gonna relax it and bring it in. And I want you to think about pushing down against this hand right here. So we push down and just a little bit of a relax and pull up. And then push down again, and then relax and pull up. Push down, and relax and pull up. And big circle with your leg, and lower. Again, we're gonna take here, and then we're gonna kick across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little tip here, guys, that motion, you should be feeling the inner thigh. That should be what you're feeling when you pass through attitude front and extend into a devant extension. Push down and then relax and pull it in. Push down and relax and pull it in. And push down and relax and pull it in. And push down, relax and pull it in. And little hip circle here. And down. If you enjoyed today's routine, make sure you check out the Veronica K platform for my full Veronica K method on training turnout, turns, balance, extensions, and so much more. Go to the description and you'll see a direct link to take you there now. This class was your first step to being a safer and stronger dancer with the Veronica K method. We'll see you next time.